All right, so Neuralink, they've been in the news a lot. So first, what Neuralink is a company was co-founded by Elon Musk, and this Neuralink company is basically some type of BMI, brain machine interface. And basically what it's going to do is allow us to interface with the machine's computer. So they just had a successful implementation of the Neuralink device into their first patient. This guy now, he was totally paralyzed from the neck down, I believe, and now since he's had the Neuralink implanted, he can actually move the cursor on the computer screen, so he can play a couple of games. I think he talked about playing Civilization. He could do several things, playing chess on the computer. So these are the first things, the basic things that he's able to do. Now next, just think about it, through Siri and through some other options, he'll be able to think, cut the lights on and off, operate TV. So it's just going to give him a myriad of other new functions that he can do that he couldn't do before because he was handicapped. So this is also, as far as us, me and you regular people, it's going to give us those abilities. I'm going to want the ability to cut lights on and off, without getting up. So hopefully it will be coming to a wider market. So I'm legally blind, and that's the part I want to talk about next as far as for blind people. So again, this Neuralink device, it should, again, they're doing some clinical trials now. So if you are blind, and I have optical nerve damage from projectile going in, so I don't know, I think they're more doing it for the macular degeneration. So if you have that, you can get into the study trials now, I think. And I know I mispronounced that word. But as far as you have that eye concern, I don't think they're doing it for people who have like traumatic injury like I did with the nerve. It's been severed, but I'm sure that should be coming. So and the bottom line on all of this with Neuralink, if you're legally blind, you want to follow this. This has the potential to cure your blindness here in the upcoming next few years. So again, they got new patients. I'm going to actually try and apply for the trial myself and see what happens. So again, they're taking in new patients. So for blind people, again, this device would basically either, I can see a few ways this would work. So if your eye currently works like mine, my eye still, it's okay, the eye, it's just the nerve is separate. So they could take the Neuralink, put it on the back of the eye, some type of way, link it to that, to my optical nerve, and then sometime put another chip maybe in the back of the brain where those signals are going, or attach it to the other side of the optical nerve, and the Neuralink could send a signal from one across that damage area, across that severed area, and be able to see, so we could see. Or I could see where they would do a total bionic type eye, artificial eye, and from that, of course, that eye could send through the Neuralink device, could send info into the brain allowing you to see again. So they're starting off now with, I forget how many threads actually go into the brain now, but of course that will increase. And I think right now they're using it for detecting, input signals coming out of the brain, and it sends that signal to a cursor or something else. But in the future, this may could be a two-way street, and maybe things actually going in. So as far as like matrix type stuff, are able to learn. So anyway, just wanted to bring you just two things. Mainly, Neuralink is accepting clinical trials for people, so you might want to check that out. And two, if you're blind, this is a potential technology that could cure blindness this decade by 2030, just depending on how fast things move forward. So anyways, if you like this type of info, if you like this type of content, if you're interested, please hit that like button, subscribe, turn that bell so you're notified when I drop new videos, and we'll see you on the next one.